There's a supplement that a lot of people take with ADHD to increase their focus by 10%. So what's the supplement and how can we make it actually give us 10% more focus? Hey, I'm Nick McLaughlin, your friendly neighborhood ADHD coach with ADHD. Let's hyper-focus on this. So the National Library of Medicine states that we are deficient in omega-3 fatty acids. The hack is to get omega-3 fatty acids in our diet because what happens is when we don't have this omega-3 fatty acid in our brain, it basically makes us more impulsive, inattentive, and emotionally dysregulated. Apparently, omega-3 is supposed to support that. Now, the problem here, I went to the store, I tried all these different kinds, and it just doesn't work, right? You just don't feel it. It's because there are 3 different kinds of omega-3 fatty acids. Acids with a D. Sorry. I didn't want to explain this like this because it just sounds boring. So I wanted to say it in a way that is more easy to understand and comprehend. Minecraft terms. EPA is basically like the potion of swiftness. It boosts mental speed and reduces distractions. DHA is like the enchanted book of knowledge, where it builds and strengthens your brain's library. ALA is like the woodblock, which is like this foundational resource that can be converted into better tools. What they say is to basically focus on EPA, but they want you to combine it with DHA. Now you're probably thinking, how much do I do, right? Scientists say to combine 3-to-1 ratio, 2-to-1 ratio, and I'll go over this a little bit in a minute, but basically they say finding that exact amount is actually really important, but scientists actually don't know the exact amount. They're just kind of testing constantly. The effects that this will have on you is it'll increase dopamine, make you more motivated, feel more rewarded, you're more cognitive of what's going on. It works with ADHD meds if that's your thing. It also helps improve your brain, makes it grow stronger, especially ALA. It helps you focus, calms your hyperactivity, and it enhances learning and elevates your mood, makes you feel better. How much do you need? Well, what they're finding, and like I said, I'm not a doctor, do your own research, but basically they say for kids, 500 to 2,000 milligrams of combining them, right? So 3-to-1 ratio to 2-to-1 ratio. You got to find that mix. I just asked ChatGPT help me make a 3-to-1 ratio of this. So as an example, it said, EPA, 750 milligrams, DHA, 250 milligrams. Adults, up to 3,000 a day. And it says 1,500 milligrams of EPA and 750 milligrams of DHA, right? And you can take ALA, but it's just not as helpful because we are lacking in these two, having ADHD. Important notes, dosage does matter a lot, but no one really knows. There's no universally agreed upon amount. And it takes 8 to 12 weeks at least to kick in. It could take longer. So just pointing that out, if you're testing it, you're not feeling any effects, that's because it's going to take some time. The foods that do all this are fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They're a bunch of fatty acids, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. So I hope all of this helps you. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful at all. If you want me to do more videos like this, comment below so I can know and I can help you out and do whatever I can. And if you like this video, you're also really going to love this video, wherever it is. Well,